Okay, what's happening, guys? You see my dog in the background. Just ignore her. So XEQ, and I want to talk about XEQ and Raptorium. Hopefully, we can ignore the dog here. So, up and coming coins, slowly. You know, we started mining XEQ a little while ago. I'd say about a month ago. And it's been great. And this is such a small coin. I feel like, because it's still solo mineable. We're solo mining it right now, about 85 kilohash. Actually, it should be a little lower than that, like 70s. But it's going good. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but this is just going to be a small video going over Raptorium and Equilibria and why I think, this is not me saying go mine this coin, but I think this is a really big up-and-coming coin. I think that it has a lot of potential, and I think you guys should look into mining it. I think, depending on what GPUs you have, where you think Equilibrium's going to go, you can always go to the Equilibrium website, check it out. There's a Discord group. It's not a huge coin. It just isn't. And I don't really understand why, because it's on the rise. It's still solo mineable. Let me just talk about it a little bit. Why I think that it's up and coming. We've seen a price increase from. Well, how it started is I seen it was at what it's at now, and we started mining it then. The hash rate spiked. I think it was like 3 mega hash at the time for the network. But I think that it's really starting to float back, and the price is coming back up, which makes it more valuable, which makes people want to mine it more, and that kind of thing. I do not recommend solo mining this coin. It's it's all over the place. Sometimes we don't hit blocks for well, not when we have this much kilohash, but if you have say one rig, say it was 6 or 7 cards. You could go 12, 15 hours without hitting a block. And if you hit a block, it's only, right now, it's like $2.60, maybe less. So be careful with solo mining. If you want to, maybe put one rig on solo and one rig on the pool. Or maybe you want to put, if you have as much as we do, we have, here's a 1060. This is rig 1. This is, a 5-card rig. We have rig 2, that's a decent sized rig. Rig 4, 3070s, 3060s, and this is a 3070, and that's an old card. So yeah, I mean it's a good coin to mine right now, because if you look here, if we look at your average 3070, you get about 3.4. You're almost at $4 a day. And if we come over to what to mine, and we type in a 3070, let me see here, and let's say it's a low hash rate, because most people have low hash rates now, you're looking at $3.40 on the highest coin right now. So, and you come down here, and this is where I didn't understand, because I was just kind of going through coins, looking at profitability, solo mining, how beat is the coin in my perspective, how much has it been mined, is it valuable? You don't even see, okay, here's Equilibrium, 328, and here's Ethereum, 314. Now, obviously, Ethereum is, much bigger right now, and even with a low hash rate card, it's still profitable, but very profitable, might I say, but still, I think that you'd be underestimated to do this Equilibrium. And when you type in multiple cards, I mean, maybe it's working right now, but the other day I typed in 3060s, so let's say you have 8 of them, and see, that wasn't there. See, Equilibrium wasn't there. So, and the reason for that is because of the price increase, right? So I've seen it at that price, so I know it will go to that price, right? In my opinion, I will think that it would go to that price. So when you see that, when I seen that the first time, I was like, wait a minute, what's this coin? So I checked it out, So is it worth mining? Yes, I think it is. And I think you're making, this says $4 a day roughly. I'd say you'd make a little more than that every time I've gone off of this estimated profits. It's always been higher. So, like, don't doubt it. Definitely give it a try. I'm not saying you have to mine it. I'm not saying go and mine it. You know what I mean? I'm just saying it's definitely a good coin to check out. And there's a lot, it's really hard to start to do. Like, it's, people in the Discord, I will say that. The people in the Discord, no offense to you guys, but you guys are not very helpful, and you guys are just fucking straight up dickheads, dude. So the people in the Discord, maybe they will help you guys that watch this video, but they did not help me at all. I mean, every question I had, there was one guy or two guys that, did help me, but they were straight dicks most of the time. So, it is what it is. Get over it. Some people are assholes. It is what it is. So, guys, I think you should check out this coin. Quickly, I want to talk about RTM, which is Raptorium. I think it's a decent thing to mine right now. We plan to see a price go up here soon. You're not going to make a lot of coins off of CPU mining it, and as a CPU mineable coin. I think you can mine with a GPU, but it's not worth it. Don't do that. But I wanted to tell you guys about it. We have made, a little over 560. Hopefully we see a price increase. Hopefully the coin goes up. Hopefully, we keep mining it and it keeps giving us more rewards. But some guy in the Discord just told me that when he first started, his 2700X CPU was making a couple thousand a day. So right now, yes, it's kind of... But is it profitable in a sense of like, okay, you're not making a lot of coins, but is it profitable? Each coin's worth 4 cents. So, I've been maybe mining this not even a week, and I think I have over 600 coins. Let's just say I've made $25 in a week. Is it profitable? Yes and no. I think if your computer is on and say you're GPU mining something, I'd say just put your CPU on it and start mining it. Your CPU is not really gonna... You're not gonna draw like fucking 1500 watts from the wall fucking mining with your CPU, So like your GPU, if you have your GPU on and you have a decent CPU, I'd say give it a try, mine it on a pool. But that's my opinion, guys. I think you guys should really check out Equilibrium. I think it's a super cool coin. I don't like the Discord that much. It's no offense against anybody right here. Those guys did not help me. I asked time and time again. They would not give me answers. People just, I don't know if maybe they just, it's not a huge community in the Discord yet. So hopefully it gets better, guys. Wanted to make this video for you, and I appreciate you guys watching. And yeah, so see you in the next one.